So here's how you can link your iPad and iPhone notes. Let's get started. But if you are new to Foxtecc, go ahead and subscribe right now because I have a lot of tutorials which you're going to find helpful. But anyways, on both your iPhone and iPad, you need to go to your settings, tap on your profile at the top, and then proceed to the iCloud section. In there, you need to basically ensure that you have at least a little bit of space left, and that next to we have the saved to iCloud section. You need to basically find the notes right here, and there is just one toggle next to it, and that is to sync this iPad or iPhone in terms of the notes. And you want to have that turned on both your iPhone as well as the iPad, which will make sure that every single note that you begin and capture on your iPad will be uploaded to the cloud and it will appear on the iPhone. The other way around as well, where you just write something down on your iPhone and it will appear on the iPad as well. So this is how you need to set it up. It's pretty simple, but obviously it only applies to the built-in Notes app from Apple. Keep in mind that there are some other alternatives. For example, apps like Notion. I personally use it every single day, and on multiple devices, I'm simply signed in with the same account, right? I've used Google to sign into Notion on my computer, as well as on my phone and the iPad and everything, right? It even works multi-platform, so it doesn't have to be within the Apple ecosystem. So yeah, that's another option if you want to sync your notes between the devices. But yeah, I'm gonna wrap up the video right now. Let me know what you think below. Subscribe for tutorials like this one, and I'll see you later.